How much does rug cleaning cost in Singapore? Rug cleaning is an important task and you need to execute it carefully. You have done it regularly. This is not a DIY task. The best idea is to hire professional services. There are many rug cleaning services in Singapore. Today, people prefer to hire rug cleaning services who could execute the cleaning right on the spot. You should make a comparative analysis. By this, you'd be able to work out the right cleaning program for your rugs. Further, you need to take into account the amount you wish to spend. The average cost of rug cleaning in Singapore is close to $180 to $400. Residential rug cleaning. Rug cleaning costs $120 or more if you wish it to be closed in 30 to 50 minutes for one piece. If you opt for a service that offers pickup and delivery, it costs $120 and more. You need to pay $20 for charges for transportation. The actual cost you need to bear depends on the following factors. The material of the rug. Rug materials are, probably, the most important in determining the cost of cleaning. Thus, if the rug is made of expensive materials, they need to be cleaned in supplicated cleaning methods using advanced cleaning equipment. Modern advanced methods such as dry cleaning add to the cost thanks to their material and equipment costs. Further, it is safer for the rug compared to other cleaning techniques. Size of the rug. The larger the size of the rug, the greater the cost of cleaning. If the rug is large, the cleaning process is complex. Therefore, you need to pay more. Check with rug cleaning services in your locality to get a clearer idea. The amount of time takes. The time taken for cleaning the rug is yet another important factor that determines cleaning costs. A few services offer instant cleaning services. If you're planning to get your rugs quickly, you can choose the instant cleaning option. The services, otherwise, could be done in a few days. Instant services are expensive when compared to regular cleaning services. Therefore, you need to spend a few additional dollars. Experience of the service. The amount of experience that the service you have can influence the cost of rug cleaning. Experienced services can clean rugs of any type or any size and quality in a reasonable period of time. They are sophisticated in fixing the problems that may arise in cleaning.